Hi, my name is Mike. Thanks for joining me today on my channel, Technically Church, where I share over 20 years of experience in audio, video, lighting, and multimedia. You can always find out more on my website at technicallychurch.com. Let's jump in. Today I'm going to show you how to copy channel settings from one to another. So say you have an EQ dialed in or a compressor dialed in, and you want to copy that from channel 1 to channel 2. Let me show you how to do that on the board. So here on channel 1 I have an EQ set and I have a compressor. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Maybe adjust the attack to 20, the release to 153. Let's say we're happy with that. And just for illustration purposes, I'm going to show you an exaggerated EQ here so you can see it copied over. So let's say we're really happy with this EQ and we want to use it as a starting place for every channel, or we just want to copy it to a different vocal. So you're going to make sure channel 1 is selected, or whatever channel you want to copy from, and then you're going to go up to Tools at the top right of your screen. And you have these options here. So you see near the top left here is what you're copying from. Currently it says channel 1, and I labeled it vocal 1 Adeline. That's the person who was using that channel today. Then you can see the settings here. What do you want to copy? You can copy every attribute of that, or you can narrow it down. So let's say none, and then let's say EQ and dynamics, which would be the compressor. So let's just say I want to copy the EQ and the compressor to a different channel. And then over here you pick where you want it to go. So I'm going to pick channel 2, and I'm going to say copy. The button above copy is INIT, initialize, and that will clear out the channel, so you don't want to do that. So we're going to hit the copy from 1 to 2. We're copying the EQ and the dynamics, and we're going to hit copy. And we're good to go. So now we're on channel 1, you can see our exaggerated EQ there, and if we go over to channel 2, we have the exact same EQ, and I copied the compressor. So you can see it is enabled, the attack's at 20, releases at 153, so it copied it over. And if we jump over to channel 3, you can see that that EQ is not there. So that's a really quick way to copy any number of settings from one channel to the other. Thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike. You can always find out more on my website, technicallychurch.com, or on my YouTube channel, Technically Church. Look forward to seeing you soon.